Zeta ZR45. Kind of looks like it should be a dimple lock, but it's maybe a little different. It's a little interesting to tension because you want to put a lot of up force on it instead of just rotation. It's got a little security Torx driver in there. Or security Torx fastener. You need the security Torx driver to get it out. Alright, done with that guy. Don't need the key to get that out because it just fits into this sidewire slot there. Oops. So here is the sidebar. And I'm going to try to show you what's inside of there. It's not fully guttable very easily. It's got this cover on the, I guess they're basically sliders, not really pins. Whoop. Let's see what we can see inside of there. You see the sidebar falls into those little slots once they all get lined up. And oh, there's number 6, 5, 4, 3. What will that go to? There are no visible false gates and no visible mastering. But anyway, it's a really interesting and very handsome lock from Taiwan. It's felt like a different kind of pick since it's not a pin tumbler, it's a sidebar mechanism. And an interesting looking key. So there it is.